Hello, my name is Javalatul Kumar Dave, and currently I am studying in Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology in last year, final semester of civil engineering. Our project name is Rainwater Holding Potential for Farming System Development in Scarcity Regions. Our group members are Miraj Sheikh and Keut Javda. I am the leader of this project, and we are working on the principal basis of rainwater harvesting in field. Generally, people used to harvest the water in rooftop and then they store in the underground tanks. But in this case, we are storing water in elevated tank of 5,000 liter capacity approximately. Or and after storing in this tank, we convey it to the field irrigation for irrigation purpose. We are collecting water in rooftop and then conveying to the storage tank. uh, After the storing water, we convey to the field approximately into 1 to 2 hours by drip irrigation. uh, the main problem statement of this of our project is availability of clean and safe sufficient amount of water to the daily activities of human being is very crucial. Water plays an important role in transforming or changing the lives of people to better and healthier one. We are currently we are our area is Madhapur village of Kutch and Jasdan village of Rajkot. Our aim of study is to increase crop production and to reduce the use of groundwater, thus increasing its level. It involves collecting, filtering, and storing rainwater in elevated tanks and reservoirs for irrigation and other purposes such as drinking, if possible. Next, we have taken some literature review from the Google, the development of rainwater harvesting research for agriculture, written by Komariu and Senge. In the paper was published in 2013. And secondary, out of 10, second one is water saving irrigation system using risk processor NWSN by Chaitali Madam. Next, our we have taken study location at Kutch, Madhapur and Saurashtra. The total area is 43.63 kilometers square of Kutch, and Saurashtra Jasdan is 24 kilometers square. These are the area of the villages, not for our project. Next, our methodology, we are collecting water from roof in the field and we are storing the water in the storage tank and then conveying by conveying pipes. Or and before conveying, we also uh, get water into the treatment plant, and after cleaning the water with some chemicals like chlorines, etc., we we pass water to the field. And the method of irrigation that we adopted for this farming system is drip irrigation. By drippers, water is conveyed by pipes, and water is directly get it into the root zone of this plant or growth of crops also. We have taken rainfall data graphs from SEOC Gandhinagar, State Emergency Operations Center Gandhinagar, in climate change department in sector 10. I have gone personally to that SEOC Gandhinagar and taken some important rainfall data graphs from the director, sir. Here are some 1901 to 1960s rainfall graphs. In 1901 to 1930, the average rainfall was 427.1. Then in 1931 to 1960, the recorded average rainfall was 455.1 in mm. In 1988 2017, 520 to 9 mm. We have some checked some adjacent rocks like hydrology of Drangadhra sandstone, This is the oldest water bearing formation in this district. It occupies about 1000 kilometers square area in the northeastern part, comprising parts of Bankaner and Morbi talukas in continuity with the sandstone exploration adjoining the Surendranagar district. Depth of water, we have, what is the depth of water in that area? The depth of water level is district range from 0.78 to 2245 mbgl during the pre-monsoon period, and 70% of stations having water level less than 10 meter. So we have decided to do this project in that area, because in 2019 Jasdan has no precipitation, and Kutch is almost dry area. So we have decided to do project on this scarcity regions. We and adjacent in that area, adjacent some of government yojanas for water convection are Sauni Yojana. Sauni Yojana is passing from Narmada Avatar in irrigation, and Sauni Yojana is passing through Saurashtra from Narmada main canal and Narmada dam also. The Saurashtra branch canal takes channel 263.20 km of Narmada main canal near Kadi. It has a particular feature in its 104 km alignment. It falls through 40.71 meter up to channel 68.480 km easily by 78 before tailing it to Bhagova Reservoir. It ends in Bhagova Reservoir. And Libdi Bhagova 2 dam of Surendra district to Raidi dam of Amreli, from Dholaji dam of Surendranagar district to Venu dam 1 of Rajkot district. Then the second Yojana is also passing from that area is Sujalam Sufalam Yojana. It works of 332 km long Sujalam Sufalam spreading canal traversing through the 7 districts from Mahi to Banas River, which includes diversion of surplus flood water of Kadana Reservoir and etc. Lift irrigation schemes from Narmada main canal to various North Gujarat region also. Lift irrigation is also passing through from that area. Panam High Canal tribal works from the Sujalam Sufalam Yojana costing 130 crore, benefiting 18,000 hectare in Sahara. Now after some time, we have taken some field measurements of location of our project. Total area in which our project is going to perform is in 2 vigas, 32 gunthas, 800 into 800 1 viga. Elevation from MSL of Madhapur is 105 meter, and elevation from MSL of Jasdan is 193 meter. Near places of Madhapur is Nakhatrana, Bachau and Gandhidham. Near places of Jasdan is Rajkot, Atkot, Gondal and Gadada. We have also taken some rates and dimension of the design of our project. The material that we are using in these projects are galvanized metal roof sheet 7, cost 50 rupees per square feet, steel purlins 50 rupees per kg, rafters 50 rupees per kg, supports conveying pipes. Conveying pipes are very costly because we are using Astral conveying pipes, and supports tank angle section H 8 feet. The approximately the estimate of our project lies between 1,60,000 to 70,000. Initial cost is very high, but after some time the maintenance cost is zero, because we are not using any pump or we are not using any electricity to run our project. So initial cost is high, but final cost and maintenance cost is approximately zero. Then some major technical measures we have taken in this project. The height of roof for rainwater collecting from ground level in field. Then we have the water collecting roof is above 12 feet from ground level. Then the height of tank for the water storing from ground level is lower elevation from the roof, because we are storing water in tank, but before storing we are collecting by roofs, and from roof by gravity our water will store in the tank. And existence of farm for seed sowings. the farm, the final farm here which we have to convey the water, is lower than roof and tank. The dimension of roof and tank, the roof is 12 feet above GL and the tank is 8 feet above GL, and the field is below both of them. Then because we are using syntax or any plastic storage capacity storage tank, we have to protect it from sun rays, because as it it is in field, so it can melt due to temperature. The capacity of roof for collection of precipitation variable with intensity of precipitation at that location at that time. Our there is no limit of collection. If farmer wants to increase his capacity, he may arrange his the water tanks to one to more than more, it is variable. The velocity of stored water from tank through conveying pipes. When we used to open half valve, then 0.3 to 0.5 meter cube per second, the velocity of flow. After storing in water, we used to convey water to the field, but the velocity of water is 0.3 to 0.5 meter cube per second when it's half open. When it's full valve open, 1 to 2.5 meter cube per second, this is the velocity of our water. Discharge through emitter drippers, the small holes from which water will easily move to the root zone. Because in drip irrigation, water is conveyed directly to the root zone. 1 to 5 liters per hour. Its capacity, the discharge emitter's capacity to discharge water is 1 to 5 liters per hour to the root zone. The total time to water to reach the final seed is approx 1 hour. Emitter flow is 5 lph and emitter spacing along the line is 10 inch, and distance between drip lines is just 600 mm, and water pressure in pipe is 25 psi pound per second square inch, and tank capacity is one tank of 5000 liter, and then variable with use and with need with also tank if needs. Benefits of hoarded water. This water can be beneficial to both the season, like Kharif season means rainy season, and for Rabi season, summer season. In Kharif season, we will prefer farmer to sow only tomato, bitter grout means karela, chilli means marcha, French bean, watana, and many more. And in Rabi season, we will prefer and we will convince farmer to only bow capsicum, carrot, fenugreek methi, garlic, and many more. Because in drip irrigation, small percent of water means already there is a scarcity problem. Scarcity of water is already there. So we have to use small percent of water to grow the crops. So in their Jasdan and their Saurashtra, only they are growing this capsicum, carrot, and they are not growing this rice and wheat, because it needs much of water. This is the design plan of our project, the actual plan from which we are going to work. By this plan, we are going to implement this all the features and all the components to the field. This is rooftop. From here we are going to collect the water, and we will go to this storage tank. Here it is the tank, storage tank. The breadth of this farm is 220 meter, and the overall length of this farm is 430 meter. Now this is the cross section of my farm, and the components we can see here. This is the roof. The breadth of roof is 8.5 meter, and the breadth is 12 feet. From here, when precipitation will occur here, water will glide here and come to this gutter. This is gutter through water will here filter, and water will go downwards, and beyond this ground level we have placed this pipe, and with full pressure the water will inject in this storage tank. This is steel cover for protection from temperature. This is 8 feet. This is 5000 liter capacity water tank. This is conveying pipes. This is emitter pipes. These are the emitters from which water will penetrate into the root zone. The width of 2 emitter pipes is 300 mm. The spacing between the two crops is 600 mm. The trenches of this field spacing is 600 mm. These are the supports.
My name is Miraj Sheikh, હું અમારા પ્રોજેક્ટના પ્રોબ્લેમ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ એન્ડ એમ્સ ઓફ સ્ટડી વિશે થોડું ડિસ્કસ કરીશ. અમારા પ્રોજેક્ટનું પ્રોબ્લેમ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ એ છે કે લોકો પોતાના દૈનિક પ્રવૃત્તિઓમાં સ્વચ્છ અને પૂરતા પ્રમાણમાં પાણીની ઉપલબ્ધતા ખૂબ જ નિર્ણાયક હોય છે. પાણી લોકોના જીવનમાં આરોગ્યપ્રદ બદલવામાં મહત્ત્વની ભૂમિકા ભજવે છે. ગ્રામ્ય અને શહેરી વિસ્તારમાં રહેતા મોટાભાગના લોકોને પાણી પૂરતા પ્રમાણમાં પહોંચે એક મોટી સમસ્યા છે. આ સંશોધનનો ઉદ્દેશ વરસાદના પાણીને સંગ્રહ કરવાનો છે, જેથી જે વિસ્તારમાં પાણીની અછત ઊભી થતી હોય તે વિસ્તારમાં આ સંશોધન ઘણું ઉપયોગી છે. આ પ્રોજેક્ટમાં અમારો મુખ્ય ઉદ્દેશ પાકનું ઉત્પાદન વધારવા અને ગ્રાઉન્ડ વોટર ટેબલનું સ્તર ઊંચું કરવામાં મહત્ત્વનું ભૂમિકા ભજવે છે. તેમાં સિંચાઈ અને પીવાના પાણીના હેતુ અને અન્ય હેતુઓ માટે એલિવેટેડ ટાંકી એન્ડ જળાશયોમાં વરસાદના પાણીને ફિલ્ટરિંગ કરીને સંગ્રહ કરવામાં આવે છે અને અછતગ્રસ્ત પ્રદેશોમાં સિંચાઈ માટે પાણી પૂરું પાડવામાં આવે છે.
Hello guys, my name is Chawda Kyur and I am studying in 8th semester of Civil Engineering branch. Our project name is Rainwater Hoarding, Potential for Farming System Development in Scarcity Region. Our project main objective is to provide clean and healthy water for irrigation in the farm and to make farmer free from water in scarcity. Our project area location is Madhapur in Kutch and Jastan in Rajkot district. In our project, rainwater collect by rooftop and stored in water tank. Rainwater from rooftop should be carried through down the take water pipes to the field. Our project irrigation system uses drip irrigation. Drip irrigation system uses our project more sufficient than others. Drip irrigation system is high availability of water. The data collection of rainfall should be given by SOEC in sector 10 in Gandhinagar. In our project various materials are used like canvalized metal roof sheet, purlin, rafters, support, GI gutter, coarse mesh, pipe, tanks, connection and fittings like couplers, elbow, T, valve, etc. are materials used. The initial cost of our project is high, but maintenance cost is low. The water is the water stored in water tank. The water stored in water tank after the treatment by chemical process. Various chemicals are used in this process, like alum, chlorine, and other other materials. After the treatment of chemical, after the water treatment is to convey by pipes to the farm. This water is used in Kharif season and Rabi season to grow tomato, chili, carrot, garlic, etc. Green vegetables. From this project, we increase crop production and reduce the use of groundwater, thus increase its level. This method is a method of storing water can reduce loss of water by its running off from
After the completion of our project, we came into the conclusion that the method we can easily store water for irrigation purpose where there is an interval as well as a large amount of fluctuation of annual precipitation and water crisis occurs. This project has initially high cost for constructing the whole body of collecting, storing and conveying to the roots of the crop. But it has negligible maintenance cost, so after all it becomes economically maintained. As these methods of collecting the water is a new method, especially in India, so there is a huge amount of chances of utilization can be done. By this method, different types of crops can be cultivated throughout the whole year and with more and more storage capacity. In this method, no pump is used. All the water is conveyed to the roots by the gravity action. Hence, very large amount of electricity has been saved. So it gives more economic curve to this project. From this project, we can easily increase the crop production and reduce the use of groundwater, thus increasing its level. This method of storing water can also reduce loss of water by its running off from the precipitation. After completion of this project, we found that this method is very economical, comfortable for farmers to cultivate crops and also to increase the crop production, and hence we can increase the economic of our country. Thank you.